Yeah, because look where the water should be. I'm going to take this Julia's audio like I'm speaking Spanish. Bob does this. Bob does Cecilia. Bobasilia.
I tried to take my glasses off.
I don't have that option.
I don't remember if I don't know if it was oh, you're good.
That almost stopped me. Yeah, we can see perfectly well with these sunglasses. Yeah, like not at all. I have to look over my glasses.
Yeah, I have to hold mine. Oh, did you see my front tire almost slip out? Just trying to make that.
Do a stem turn. How many tunnels did we go through here? I don't count them, you know. Is this number 4?
There's like 6 of them, right?
I don't know. No, it's back there. Oh no, it could be there, you're right. Oh shoot. Yeah. Oh, I know.
That's what to make the rocks stick.
Yep, make it stable. Yeah, the little ones keeps the little ones. Won't keep the big ones though.
All blasting. Or do they come in here with like pickaxes and clean it up?
Oh, it's mostly blasting, I think. They drill and bloom. I think there's very little handwork.
except for shoveling the rubble out.
Shit, we're already at the maintenance yard. It's not unusual to be loved by everyone.
Is that Tom Jones?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, this is so fun on a bike. Wow, that's sketchy.
Is that good to go?
Yep, that's going.
Yeah, we don't have to go all the way down, but let's at least get to the edge of this parking garage.
Good. Let's cool through here.
Heck yeah. This is, you can still see the lines, because this is where they used to mix all the creek right here
Oh,
in the giant mixing things, and then they would move it over on these lines, not these lines, because these are power lines. They had pulley systems.
yeah.
They mixed all the concrete.
Oh, the giant buckets.
Right here. The giant buckets is all done right here. And that's cool because you can still see the old lines where they used to come down, where everything was attached, you know?
Oh, yeah.
See, so that's what it used to look like. So it was all done like right over here.
Wow. Been over it once. Coming back from Arizona.
Walking, I'm gonna get a little photo of you walking. Pretty easy drive to get here. There's guys with ARs inspecting your car before you come over here, though.
Oh, no shit.
They just look in and go, all right, have a nice day. But there's two that come up on both sides, and there they have their full on. They hold it by their
Wow.
chest, you know.
Wow. I love the way they built this into the...
Look at all the, like, how they drilled down and then blasted it, whatever.
Yeah.
Did something else originally, and then changed
Boulder.
the name of it. Yes.
Boulder Dam.
So,
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that.
that costs money to get up to there,
To where?
to where they're standing, because they make you do the whole tour. It's like $10 a person.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, and there's a little auditorium area. You watch the whole video on how the dam was made and all the background. And then in that glass room is that MWD plaque I sent the picture of. It's inside that glass room right there on the top.
Oh,
level.
no kidding.
And then you go out on the deck, gives you the gnarliest vertigo.
Oh,
Like,
man.
you know, looking over slowly.
Ugh.
Oh. And then this right here, well, of course it's the original, but isn't that kind of neat seeing that?
Let me get you.
The original pulley system still there, intact. What is that random building that just protrudes out over a cliff?